Mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe Amazoda Mnangagwa has been fired ku Russia, Moscow kwavari uko kwatikuona panguva ino people havana chakanaka. People they've started attacking mutungamiri wenyika by his arrival, and people they're also criticizing him. With the same president muri kuona kunzi nyika yeZimbabwe manotungamirira mahospitals, hamuna mafacilities, hamuna madrugs nematablets. Panguva ino people they've criticized and fired the Zimbabwean leader kurussia not was subscribe all I got on the bell icon. Tingna zoom I anopost my pictures too amuri kuona. In the first picture are presidents of two of the world's most powerful economies, Russia and China, wearing nothing fancy, just one color of fabric per person. On the second photography is the president of one of the world's most poorly managed economies, Zimbabwe. Emmerson Mnangagwa arriving in Russia today, who is strapped his body with fabrics of nearly every color on earth, all loaded onto one person. If this red carpet was in his fabric, it would cause aircraft accidents. What advice would you give him? Ndomashika tukona kuti awa ari kuataka mutungamiri wenyika Emmerson Mnangagwa. Atikona kuti people awa vari kuuya vachiti some of the successful presidents vane macountries avo ari successful nemaeconomies panguva ino vanoonekwa kunzi havangopfeki awa zvinhu zviri fancy but just one color and simple. But some of the people vanoonekwa kunzi vane macountries ari poorly managed, macountries anoonekwa kunzi maservices akumborina kana ari kuprovidwa nethe government. They are trying to depict a picture ekuti aiwa they are rich and successful. Mashoko atiri kuona kuti macritics emutungamiri wenyika vati tiudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Vana comment section metimudze mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.